to our channel. London is here with me again for our series of kid-friendly projects, and today we're going to be making a roll-on perfume, and it literally only takes 2 ingredients. It's super easy to make these guys. We made one earlier and London said she couldn't believe how simple that was, so this is very easy to do. So for this project you're going to need a roller amber bottle or bottles, depending on how many you want to make, a fragrance oil of your choice. This is going to have to be skin safe since it's made to put directly onto your skin. Some kind of a lightweight carrier oil. We're going to be using Fractionated Coconut Oil. It's very lightweight, it's unscented, absorbs into your skin really easily. And then we do have our little measuring spoons and a teeny tiny little metal funnel, and this is just to make the filling process a little bit easier with the amber bottles. So we're going to take you through the steps on how to do this and show you how simple it is to make your own perfume. Okay, so the first step is going to be measuring out your carrier oil. So if you want to turn on your scale there, and you can go ahead and put the little amber bottle on the scale. You just want to make sure that everything's zeroed out. We're going to be measuring everything in grams today, especially since it's on such a small scale. If you tried to measure it in ounces, with this scale only having 2 decimal places, it would just be way too difficult to do. So take your little funnel here, and you're going to place that down inside the little bottle, and then you're going to have to tear it out again because it's going to measure the weight of the funnel. And then what we're going to do is take the fractionated coconut oil. Don't squirt it everywhere, that's not what you want to do. And we're going to measure out 7 grams. If you have a steady hand, you can try to do this directly into the little funnel. I'm not one of those people, as you can see by me squirting the coconut oil everywhere. So it is kind of better, I think, to put it in a smaller measuring container like this. So we're at 4 grams. Come on! 6 grams. See, that was my 1 extra gram that I squirted out right there. Yeah. And 7. Pour that back in there. Haha, perfect. Alright, and then next you're going to take your little pipette here. You can also use any kind of a little dropper that you might have, but the pipette actually came with our bottles, so makes it perfect. And we're going to be using one of our most popular men's fragrances today. This is Cowboy, and it smells so good. It just smells like a really strong, clean men's fragrance, doesn't it? So we're going to tear this out again. Let me clean up my mess here. There we go. Okay, and London's going to measure out about 2 grams of the fragrance oil into the little bottle. Well, that wasn't even a gram. Some of the fragrance oils are a little bit lighter than others. Oh, no, look, it is 2 grams. Oh. Our scale just had a brain fart, apparently. But some of the fragrance oils are lighter than others. So volume-wise, you may end up adding more of one fragrance than another. The fruit slices, for example, is a very light fragrance. So it has a very low density. So when you measure it out, if you were to put it side by side in a clear measuring cup next to blueberry cobbler, you probably have a little bit more of the fruit slices than the blueberry cobbler. And this is why we sell our fragrance oils by weight as opposed to volume, because you'd actually be getting less of some if we did it by volume instead. So we've measured out the fragrance oil. Let's take the little funnel off. I can take this off of the scale as well. So you want to make sure that there is a little bit of room left. You don't want to fill the neck of the bottle up, otherwise you won't be able to get your little rolly ball down inside of there. And you have to be able to kind of shake it up a little bit as well. So if you want to take the little roller ball. I'll hold it steady for you. Place that down in there. Voila. And then just take your lid, put that on. You can kind of swish it around, but that's pretty much it. It's a very simple project to do. Two simple ingredients. Just got to make sure that you have the skin-safe fragrance as well as the little amber bottles.
Yeah.
But these make great gifts to go along with the bath bombs that we made before, a video ago. And yeah, pretty fun to make, right? Super easy. So we will be putting the description, or down in the description box, we'll put a list of all the ingredients that we used today. I found my amber bottles that came with the pipettes, as well as the funnel and the fractionated coconut oil, all on Amazon, so I'll link everything down in the description box below, as well as the recipe that I used today. Again, 2 ingredients, it's super easy to remember. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel. We try to put out videos every couple of weeks or so. This is the second video in a series that I'm doing with London on kid-safe or kid-friendly projects. Also follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We do promotions all the time, and that's where you have to find them. So make sure that you follow us, and we'll see you later. Bye!
Bye.